how to accept money on Zelle. So if you want to accept money on Zelle, you generally don't need to do much, as the process is automatic once you've enrolled. And here's how it works. You will obviously need to enroll into Zelle either through your bank, or you can still use your Zelle app if your bank doesn't support it. Then the second step will be receiving notifications. So when someone sends you money through Zelle, you receive a notification, which is usually going to be sent through email or text informing you of the transaction. And to accept the payment here, if you're already enrolled, the money will be deposited directly into your linked bank account, typically within minutes. You don't need to take any extra steps to accept the payment. And if you're not enrolled yet, the notification you receive will prompt you to enroll in Zelle, and you just gotta follow the instructions to register your phone number or email. And once enrolled, the money will be deposited into your account. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.